Heat pumps. Who knew? I'm Aaron Stash. Welcome to the Electric Home Show. Whew! Do heat pumps work in the wintertime? Heck yeah! Something I hear a lot is heat pumps don't work when it's cold. I'm in the Chicagoland area and it's cold outside. All right, 15 degrees Fahrenheit. We're humming right along. Snow on the ground. Mini splits still humming along. Whew! Jim Cantori, I am not. Let's warm up a little bit after going outside to see if heat pumps work in the winter. Here I am, it's warming up. It's a total of 16 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's warm up with a hot cup of coffee, hot chocolate, whatever floats your boat, and figure out why this works. How a heat pump heats your home. When it's cold, heat pumps pull heat from the outdoor air and transfer it indoors. Air is pulled across a coil that begins to heat up the liquid refrigerant in the heat pump's pipes. A reversing valve controls the direction that the heat travels. A heat pump can both heat and cool a home. A compressor heats up the refrigerant even more until finally the indoor unit pushes heat into the home. And it all continues on a cycle. I'm in the skeptical Midwest where we're not sure if it's going to work or not. It works. I've had heat pumps in my house for 10 years. I don't have a gas furnace. But here's a look at the equipment I do have. Boy, have I got a lot to say about it, but not on this episode. Stay tuned for more from the Electric Home Show. Hey, where's that hot chocolate?